We have one more goodie from RPM Tesla to give a try, and that is the kick plate. Styling. Wow. Beautiful. So, let's see. What exactly is the kick plate? Well, Tesla uses plastic kick plates. Kick plates are these. Let's put the camera there. Oh yeah, that's a good spot there. This is the kick plate, or footrest. I don't know, depending on who you are. I've heard it called many different things. So you got your pedals and you got this. Now this was a manual car, which it's not. That's where your clutch would be. But here's a nice footrest. But it looks kind of crappy if you have one with plastic. So RPM Tesla has this beautiful kick plate accessory that is also non-slip. It's got the rough grippies on there. It's curved so it fits, held on by nice sturdy 3M tape. And that literally just fits on like that, and it looks beautiful. Now if you got a performance Model S, you already have metal pedals. I have a non-performance, so I have plastic pedals, but it will fit right in with your metal ones if you so do have it. Now to install, remove your floor mat. Now you're going to want to use something that's also somewhat of a solvent, like Windex, to clean down the plastic plate here, because we want it as clean as possible with like no oils or residues. And if it is kind of oily, or if you've used something and you did something kind of stupid, like use Armor All, which you don't use Armor All on pedals, where you put your feet. Things like that, because it makes it slippery. You're going to want to use something like dish detergent first. After that's dried, then use the Windex. And we're going to peel off some of this 3M tape here. There we go. Tape is peeled. Time to install. And that is it. Installation is complete. The worst part about it was trying to remove all that. And it looks pretty darn good. So let's get a picture of it with my floor mat in. Due to our lovely Wisconsin weathers, I of course am using the WeatherTech floor mats right now, and it does kind of cover up a little bit of the kick plate, but when I switch to summer mats, this is going to be really sharp looking, and I mean it looks pretty sharp already. If you are interested in purchasing the kick plate, link is in the description box below to RPM Tesla.